Use personal protective equipment and strict site control every time you apply Talik Bifen for pest control at home. Talik Bifen contains active ingredients that are effective at controlling a broad range of pests but can be hazardous if handled improperly, so read and follow the product label before you begin. Always wear chemical-resistant gloves, splash-resistant goggles, and a long-sleeved shirt and long pants to prevent skin and eye contact. If the label calls for a respirator, use one fitted and rated for pesticide particulates. Keep children and pets well away from the treatment area and do not allow them back until all treated surfaces are completely dry and ventilated, which can take several hours depending on temperature and air movement. Avoid spraying anywhere near edible plants, vegetable gardens, or food preparation areas. If treatment near those areas is unavoidable, cover produce and rinse any contactable surfaces with water before use. Do not inhale spray mist, work upwind where possible, spray at low pressure to reduce drift, and avoid sweeping or brushing still damp residues. Mix only the amount needed in a well-ventilated area using clean equipment, measure precisely per label directions, and store any unused product in its original container out of reach of children and pets. 3 common mistakes are underestimating exposure routes, treating too close to children and pet areas, and ignoring environmental runoff risks. People often forget that residues on floors and baseboards can transfer to hands and then to mouths, so wipe or restrict access until surfaces are dry. Many users spray near pet bedding and play areas, move those items outdoors, and do not let pets re-enter until the area is dry. Runoff into storm drains or onto bare soil can harm non-target organisms, so avoid application before rain and do not over-apply. Use only labeled rates and avoid paved slopes that drain to sensitive areas. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and post project details so they can compare options related to pest control and other jobs. We also provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, ask questions, and trade practical safety tips so everyone can work smarter and safer.